Hello and welcome to Bartact. Today we're going to be turning this ordinary JL-JLU 2018 and up tailgate into the ultimate Molle bag accessory system. What you'll be getting in the package when you order it from Bartact, or if you get it from one of the show vendors, you're going to be getting a Molle panel like this. They're patent pending. Will be mounted right here when we're done. You'll get two accessory bags, a 14 by 5.5 and a 7 by 7, both with the Molle strapping. You'll get two of our new Molle hook systems that we have out. This is two of 8 different designs for each style. We have the ones that go through the Molle, and we have the ones that clip to the Molle. For this installation with this product, you'll be getting these two here, a clip and a D-ring. You'll be getting one of our universal strap systems. This is great for attaching a fire extinguisher bag, rolled up back sleeping bag, mat, whichever you have. This will work just fine for that. And lastly, you'll be getting a nice USA patch to put on there. So let's get ready for the install. The install is very simple for this product. You only need 2 tools to do it. You're going to need an Allen wrench, and you're going to need a trim removal tool. So this is how we go. First thing you'll want to do is you're going to remove the Jeep logoed panel from the tailgate. Simply go into either end with your removal tool, and it pops out super easy. Wiggle it, it'll snap right out. Once that's done, it's onto the Molle system. So for the Molle system on the back, we have 4 of these little hook straps right here, okay? What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bend them open a little bit so you can get them easily into the grooves in the bottom. Each one of these vent holes is grooved and open, so all you have to do is kind of line it up with the corresponding ones. You can start from either end, does not matter which. Go ahead and slide it right in there just like that. Second one, again, make sure you go into the bottom holes. I find it kind of easier if you pry it back with one finger while pushing up on it, and it goes right in. Now once you guys get these installed, okay, it's not as easy to remove because there is a little bit of a locking clasp into these plastic clips. So if you do want to remove this for whatever reason, you find out you want to change it up a little bit, maybe didn't put it in the way you kind of like it, you got to remove the plastic trim, use your pry tool, it'll pop right off. Alright, next step, line up your metal tabs that are already in the tailgate into the supplied holes into the cover, so they can stick through just like that. Now, 3 Allen heads, right through the grommets, into the factory mounting holes. Now these don't have to be very tight, okay? Good and snug, works just fine. And you will be good to go. My dogs are having a field day today. And the last one. Go through, make sure they're snug. Again, you don't want to over tighten them, but you do want them to be snug so they don't rattle out on you. Alright, now it's the placement of your bags. There's no set rule on where to put these. You can put one, you can go ahead if you want to. You can purchase an additional one of these and put 2 of them. It's kind of up to you. We supply you with 1 of each. Do remember that if you are doing a color theme with your Jeep or your off-road vehicle, we do offer these in different color styles. All the colors that we offer the seat covers in, these are also available in, so you can add them to your order and have them instead of having black ones. So for the Molle weave, very simple. Go through the panel, back through the bag, back through the panel again, back through the bag one last time. And now you'll see on our bag accessories that we have this little tab on the very bottom. I've had a lot of people with the show that, what's this tab for? So what this tab does is it locks it in place. So take that bottom Molle strip that you haven't been able to use, slide it, and it locks it in place, keeps it from going anywhere. Do the same thing to the other side. If you find that it's stiff, the Molle web is stiff, that's what it's designed to do. It's meant to keep it in there snug so it's not going to go anywhere. Just like that, we are all installed. The nice thing about the webbing is it keeps it from pulling down. It doesn't allow, when you put a lot of weight in there, you're not going to sag your bags way down to the bottom like some of the other products that are on the market these days. Alright. For this one, we're going to mount it up a little bit higher. Because when you look at the count, one, there, there. The last one's going to be your locking tab. So we're going to go through here. For this last one, go right through the bag, pull it all the way through, and lock her into place. Through the bag, pull it through, and lock it right in place. Again, we're all set. Now we have two more slots on the end. That's what we're going to use for our tabs and our universal strap here. So I'm going to put the universal strap up through here. This way, one, we're not going to lose it. The customer can decide what they want to do with it later when they're ready. Pop it through. And we're just going to go ahead and use the Velcro to hold it down in place. Now for the last part of this install, we're going to go ahead and put these two Molle hooks in. They're fairly simple. The easiest way to do it, go ahead and remove the clasp. What you want to do is take it off just like that. I'm going to put one here, slide it right back through the top. When you slide it through, make sure you hook it back, the material back underneath the clasp, and then just use your thumb to push the material back over and under. And there it is, locked into place. Again, remove the tab, slide it through, and lock it in place. Finally, last piece of the install, do the Velcro backing, line it up the way you want it, and there you go.